1:50, late start today. Wouldn't have known that this is a trail if you didn't see that blaze, would you? Big rocks. Looks like another cloudy day along Georgian Bay. First clear lookout over the bay. Not even 2 o'clock. Already lost the trail twice, but I'm sure I'm on it now. Another look across the bay. I think from up there I'll have a good view of the bay looking north. The sun has come out, and walking along this cliff by the main body of Georgian Bay now. Getting a little windy out on this point. My hat doesn't work. Trail's been pretty rocky all along here. Kind of slow going. Up and down, up and down. I got my pitons and rope. I'm just going to have to jump. Me and my shadow on this rocky point. Little rocky points all along here. Ooh, I should have brought a ladder. Sailboat out there. So I mentioned this trail was up and down and very steep. These steps are like longer than my legs. I end up just jumping down. This is a beauty here. Perfect. Sailboat. Slipping on the edge of the cliff, nothing serious. Beach down there. And a big white cliff over there. 4 o'clock, just came down the escarpment to McKay's Harbor. Leaving the Boulder Beach at McKay's Harbor. Looking to see what's up ahead. Turned out to be a beautiful day. Knock, knock on wood. Just climbed up the escarpment from the beach. Underneath this big overhang, and a picture without falling over backwards. Sort of a ladder. And I'm almost at the top. Back up on the top. Nice blue water. Another sailboat out there. Just one more overhanging rock. Let's see if we can see a lion. See the harbor and the little town of Lion's Head. The cliff is quite high here. Oh, there he is. Sitting on the beach at Lion's Head. Just came from the cliffs up there. Actually have a sandy beach here. Another really tough section of the Bruce Trail. Turn left at the sailboat. Looking across the bay at Lion's Head. Going to make some time to go into this cave up here, just off the trail. Let's see if it goes around the corner any. And a dead end here. Well, that would be the cliff for tomorrow. And looking back at Lion's Head. 10:30 start this morning. We moved the trailer up to Miller Lake, heading for White Bluff. Been hiking for an hour. This crevice actually goes in farther into a cave. Too far down to jump. Our first view from White Bluff. Been hiking for an hour. Coming up on a Bruce Trail escalator. And another. Really big step. Coming out to another lookout. Three hours on the trail now. Looking back. And looking forward. Not too deep right here. Nice overhanging rock though. Same old view. And looking back at White Bluff, where I came from this morning. A sign. This better be good. And it is pretty good. I can see right up the Cabot Head. Clear enough. You can probably see all the way to Tobermory. O'clock. Coming out onto the beach at Cape Chin. You know I'm going to have to throw a couple of stones. Just came down from up there. And looking at the big shagbark hickory tree. End of the road today. And I'm about 15 minutes early. To wait on the road till the taxi arrives. And tomorrow I'll be heading out there. 9:30 start this morning. Walking through a cedar forest. Like a tunnel. Without the blazes, you'd never follow the trail in here. Fortunately, they're pretty good with the blazes. About to reach the top of the escarpment. Via the Bruce Trail escalator. Just been hiking for half an hour. Kind of a gray day. Sun's trying to break through over there. Going past a beaver pond and lodge. After 2 hours of rain, the sun finally came out, so we could see this nice view. At the Devil's Monument. It's going to be late for my ride, but she doesn't charge extra if I'm late. Just like a big flower pot. Might as well go down. You can see that it's completely separated from the escarpment. I'm not going to bother walking around it today. My last kilometer today has been quite rocky and steep. Just been walking for 15 minutes. 10:30. Waited for the rain to stop this morning. Still pretty cloudy. Take a look up to the north. There's a view up to the north. And I'm on my way. Okay, this has got to be a picture opportunity. Rock's a little wet today. Big crack on the end. Big puddle. And still seems pretty safe, but a long ways down. And you can almost see the undercut by the wave action in there. Very nice. And right over there. Lots of picture opportunities this morning. Same old view. Cobble beach down there. And rocks. Straight down. A little rocky along the shoreline here. Don't know who Michiganer is. There's the arch. Here they have a little pier at Dyer's Bay. I don't really see the lighthouse. Looking north, a little bit of a weather front passing over me right now. I'm looking back towards Dyer's Bay. Roadblock. That took a bit to get around. 12:15, lots of junipers along this section of the trail. Still pretty windy, and a nookshuk, and the escarpment in the background. Great blue heron just took off the border of the national park. The end of the road for today, literally. It's after 8 o'clock on a rainy morning. Heading into Crane Lake in the national park. My first sunny break today after walking for an hour. There's a beaver dam right here. Got a little leak, guys. Can't see the lodge. No garbage. They dumped the logs into Georgian Bay here to take them to the sawmill. The bay is just through the trees there. I've had it easy so far today. I think now the rough stuff starts. They need to repaint the trail marker because this doesn't look like much of a trail. Some islands out there, way out there in Georgian Bay. More islands out there in the bay. Okay, this one's going to be hand over hand backwards, I think. Probably a nice place to stop and have lunch. It wasn't raining. My sandwich is getting a little soggy. The sun was actually out over on that beach. Heading there now. This is my exit door. Might as well take a picture of the sign. I finished my hike 45 minutes early. Taxi won't be here for a while. I don't see any rattlesnakes.